everyone, Yasmin from Plentix here. Welcome to another quick tutorial around using our platform. As you guys know, Plentix is a one-stop shop for any event. It aims to provide the most streamlined event organization process and let social explorers connect with like-minded people by sharing, discovering, and booking events. Let's jump right in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your promoter account on the platform. As you can see, I have the plentix.co website open. And I'm already logged into my account. You can see my little photo at the top right corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and click for organizers. And here I kind of have two main categories. I have my events and my promoters. Then I'm gonna click the little plus next to my promoters. This is how you create your promoter account. In case you're wondering what a promoter is exactly, within Plentix, a promoter is an event organizer that can promote multiple events. So that can be either an event venue like a bar or a gallery, or it can be a person, so that can be a music artist, a producer, or even a band. So here we just need to put our basic information, the name of your promoter. You could have a short and a full description, those are optional. The place, the location. You can add your contacts, your email, your website. And then lastly, you can add your social networks. So here, basically what you need to do is just copy and paste the links for those. So you can add Facebook, Twitter, SoundCloud, whatever else is relevant to you. And of course, you can also add an image. And then when we click create, we have our promoter account ready. I hope you found this video useful. Now you're one step closer to utilizing Plentix in order to create or discover the events that are going to bring us all unforgettable memories and value. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook if you would like to see more updates and news from us. Join our Telegram chat community and keep an eye on our blog for more interesting content. See you in the next one.